Now welcome to your beautiful home. MetroGuide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest open house tour for a brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located in Paranaque City, Metro Manila near SM City BF Homes. So here are perspectives of this warm and welcoming home, and join us as we begin this property tour. Hi, this is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Paranaque City, Metro Manila near SM City BF. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this beautiful home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the property size, it has a floor area of approximately 315 square meters and a lot area of 280 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, a powder room, an open concept living space, a Lanai patio area, modular and auxiliary kitchens, custom cabinetry, a maid's room, and a driver's room, all with fast access to Skyway and major commercial centers. Now let's begin the tour. Let's go. One of the noticeable things about this property is that the ground level is already elevated about 3 to 4 feet from street level. And upon entering to your left, you'll immediately see a spacious 3-car parallel parking garage. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You're welcomed by an open concept layout wherein the living, dining, and main kitchen all flow very naturally towards each other. And you already have beautiful cove lighting here, which separates the dining area from the main living space. The almost floor-to-ceiling glass windows and sliding doors make the living area look so much more open and spacious. You already have a provision here for your light fixture. And from here, you also have your powder room for your guests upon entering the house. The entire first level is so well lit because almost half of the entire space is covered by these sliding doors which open up to a patio space which runs across the side of the property. So you can actually use this entire space as an extension of your living area. You can have some tables and chairs over here, which broadens the space if you have family gatherings or parties. Your living space flows naturally to your main dining area. So this space also has 2 large sliding doors, and this one opens up to a patio lanai area. You have a nice rock garden area over here. And your patio lanai area makes for a great breakfast nook because the property is facing southeast, so it's morning sun facing. So this becomes a very cool area in the mornings to dine in. Now let's head on in so that we can take a look at your main kitchen. Your main kitchen is open, elegant, and modern. You have this large countertop which can serve as a great breakfast bar. So you can have some stools over here and imagine having the family hang out here in the mornings. And you already have a provision here for a large refrigerator and plenty of storage space with these custom-made cabinetry. And from here, you have access leading to your auxiliary kitchen. Where you already have another sink, more storage, and you even have a space here for a laundry area. And from here, you already have access leading outside to the maids and drivers' quarters. Now let's take a look at the first bedroom. The first bedroom serves more as a guest room. You can also use it as a study or playroom. It already has a provision for a split-type air conditioning unit. It has high ceilings and its own bathroom. Time to take a look at the second level. Welcome to the second level where you have a large window which lets in a lot of natural light towards this wide hallway which connects the 4 rooms here. Let's begin here with the master bedroom. Your master bedroom is facing the morning sun. It's very well lit. That's why the orientation is maximized by these large windows in this corner room. You have a high ceiling, LED lighting. You already have a provision here for your CCTV system. You can easily fit a large king-size bed over here with plenty of space left over for a study area. And you have plenty of closet space. So there's no traditional walk-in closet area over here, but it's much more open and it makes the room much larger. And from here, you have a sliding door leading to your master bathroom. Time for the third bedroom. The third bedroom is a corner room also facing the southwest side of the property. That's why it has a lot of windows. It also has the high ceiling. It has a provision here for your own lighting fixture because that sometimes is a personal preference. And you have this beautiful built-in cabinetry and its own bathroom. Let's now take a look at the fourth bedroom. This room is slightly larger than the third bedroom. It's also a corner room and it's facing the northwest side of the property. But right now, sunset is coming from over here. So the orientation of the room is such that even in the afternoons, it's still quite cool. It also has custom cabinetry, a provision for a split-type air conditioning unit, and its own bathroom. Let's take a look at the fifth bedroom. The fifth bedroom is a corner room. It has a high ceiling once again. It's also very well lit. And one of the great things that you'll notice about this property is that all 4 bedrooms in the second level are corner rooms. And from here, I'd like to show you the bathroom. I think by now you would have noticed that all of the bathrooms have distinct tiling design that are different from one another to give each room its own character. And that ends our quick property tour video for this brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in Paranaque City, Metro Manila. Check out the next portion for important reminders for home buyers. We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Paranaque City, Metro Manila near SM City BF. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. If you want to know more about our future projects, just click that like button or that subscribe button. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this well-built, brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale in Paranaque City, Metro Manila.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.